Hello and welcome back for another filmy Friday edition of Bollybuzz. Yours truly has been buzzing around town, getting you all the latest celeb gossip, star spotting and fresh filmy updates. From Shefali Shah joining Ayushmann Khurrana for Dr. G to Priyanka Chopra turning presenter at the BAFTAs, we're also giving you an exclusive peek at all the action on Ranveer Singh's circus sets, so stick around. Did someone call a doctor? Because Shefali Shah is reporting for duty, the actress has become the latest star to join the cast of the Ayushmann Khurrana-led Jungly Pictures production Dr. G. While details of her character have been kept under wraps, our bees have learned that the powerhouse performer will essay the role of a senior medical practitioner, Dr. Nandini, in this campus comedy drama. Spilling the beans about this exciting new venture, Shefali said, "I am really looking forward to collaborating with Anubhuti, Ayushmann, Jungly Pictures and the amazing team." While we're talking films, RB's brought back some exclusive clips straight from the sets of Ranveer Singh's circus. Looks like Rohit Shetty and team are going international with a bunch of Russian performers joining the shoot. We got word that Ranveer was shooting with a group of international female Russian artists decked in flashy attires and headgears for a portion of the film. With all the fast cars, loud colors and costumes, we can only wait and see what this film has in store. After spending months in lockdown, it is time for Priyanka Chopra to pick out her best dress and turn heads on the red carpet. The Desi girl has been announced as one of the presenters for the 74th BAFTA Awards. While PC is not up for any award, her co-star Adarsh Gaurav is in the running for a Best Actor award at the annual ceremony. PC will be joined by Hugh Grant, Tom Hiddleston, Pedro Pascal and many others for the ceremony scheduled to take place on April 10th and 11th at the Royal Albert Hall in London. And while we were adding pages to our London diaries, the internet seemed to have just discovered that Kareena Kapoor Khan and Ranbir Kapoor have a lesser-known cousin in London, and she is gorgeous. Meet Alia Kapoor, the latest Kapoor everyone is obsessing over. With looks such as these, who can blame them? Alia is the granddaughter of late veteran actor Shashi Kapoor and the daughter of Karan Kapoor with English model Lorna Darling Kapoor. Might we also add that she has a brother named Zach Kapoor? You might want to look him up while you're at it. Moving on to another star with impossibly good looks, we have an update from Hrithik Roshan and family. In these trying times of COVID-19, the hunk has made sure that his sister Sunaina and parents Rakesh Pinky Roshan have got their second dose of the vaccine. A grateful Pinky shared a picture with a doctor and captioned it #COVID-19 second dose taken, prayers, gratitude. Rakesh Ji, on the other hand, shared a family picture from the hospital and said, "Roshan family second dose taken." And finally, we're sending Janhvi Kapoor your way to give you all those much-needed weekend vibes. The beauty scorched up the internet when she shared a couple of photos in a hologram monokini from her Maldives getaway with her girl gang. Going through her vacay diaries makes us miss all those summers by the sea. And on that note, it's bye-bye from this bee. See you all on Monday.